One of the most important reasons to use version control is time travel. Let's say that for whatever reason I want to go back in time to an earlier version of the project. There are many possible reasons we might want to do that, but let's say, for example, that we got yet another bug report, and we realized that maybe my bug fix that is in this commit here had side effects and it caused another problem. So we want to track down this new bug. And to do that, we want to go back to an earlier version of the project, before the bug fix. Now, in this demo, I only changed one line, so we could roll back the change by hand. But imagine a real project, where a single commit might involve changes to dozens or hundreds of lines of code. It would be unfeasible to revert the fix by hand. Instead, we can use Git to do this with a single command that says, "Hey Git, take me back in time to this version of the project." That command is called git checkout. In the latest versions of Git, it's also called git switch. That is probably a better name, but I'll use checkout because checkout works with any version of Git, even the old ones. And checkout takes the version of the project that we want to go to, this commit. So I'll copy-paste this commit. And when I do this, Git takes the content of that commit and puts it in our file system. If we only look at this terminal, it seems that nothing happened, but if I edit this file again, you see that my earlier change is gone. The file is back to its original state. We rolled back time to the earlier version of the project, and now I can do all the testing I want. And when I'm done, I can check out the latest commit again, and roll time forward again to the latest version of the project. And if we check the file again, our earlier change is back in. We're back on the latest version of the code. So, thank you for staying with me. That was a demo of the basics of Git. I'll introduce other features of Git later on, but those require a bit more context. So let's stop here and recap what we've seen in this first module.